Welcome to English with Karim.
Let's learn English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Karim. We're very happy to have you here for another practical English lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English confidently in real-life situations through simple and natural conversations.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to one of the first places every traveler visits after arriving in a new country, a hotel.
Imagine you've just landed in another country after a long flight. You're tired, you're carrying your luggage, and all you want is to check into your hotel, relax, and enjoy your trip. But what happens if the receptionist only speaks English?
Don't worry, by the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly what to say. You'll learn how to book a room, check in, ask about breakfast, request the Wi-Fi password, ask for extra towels, and even check out like a confident English speaker.
This lesson is perfect for beginners because everything is explained through a realistic conversation using simple English. These are expressions that travelers use every day in hotels around the world.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine you're standing at the hotel reception. The more you practice these conversations, the more comfortable you'll feel when traveling abroad.
Learning English isn't only about grammar. It's about communicating with people. Every conversation you practice today will help you in real life tomorrow.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Are you ready to check into your hotel and improve your English?
Let's begin our hotel conversation and start learning together.
Well, Sarah, after a long flight, we finally arrived at our hotel.
Yes, I'm really tired, but I'm also excited. The hotel looks beautiful from the outside.
It certainly does. The entrance is elegant and the lobby looks very modern.
Look at those comfortable sofas, the flowers, and the beautiful lights.
Everything looks so welcoming. Let's go to the reception desk and check in.
Good idea.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. We have a reservation under the name Karim.
Certainly. May I see your passport, please? Of course. Here it is.
And here is my passport.
Thank you very much. Please give me a moment while I check your reservation.
No problem. Take your time.
Yes, I found your reservation. You booked one double room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Excellent. Would you like a room with a city view or a garden view?
I think the garden view would be quieter.
I agree. We'll take the garden view.
Wonderful choice. Your room is on the 5th floor, room 512.
Perfect. Thank you. Breakfast is included with your reservation. It is served every morning from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. Great. Where is the restaurant?
It's on the 1st floor, next to the swimming pool.
That's easy to remember.
Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free throughout the hotel.
Wonderful. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The password is Welcome2026.
Thank you very much.
Does the hotel also have a gym?
Yes, our fitness center is open 24 hours a day.
That's fantastic. I like exercising before breakfast.
You know me. Gym first, swimming pool later.
You're much more energetic than I am.
We also have a swimming pool and a spa if you'd like to relax.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe tomorrow.
Here are your room cards, one for each of you. Please keep them with you during your stay.
Thank you.
The elevators are on your right. If you need anything during your stay, simply call reception by dialing 0 from your room phone.
Thank you for your kindness.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Walking towards the elevator.
The staff here are very friendly.
Yes, good service always makes guests feel comfortable.
I can't wait to see our room.
Me too. Let's go upstairs and hope the room is as beautiful as the hotel lobby. Well, Sarah, here we are. Room 512.
I can't wait to see it.
Let's open the door.
Go ahead.
The door opens.
Wow, this room is beautiful.
Look at the big bed, the television, and the balcony. Everything looks perfect.
The room is clean, too. That's always important.
Let's check everything before we relax.
Looking around, there's a desk, a wardrobe, air conditioning, and even a small refrigerator.
Excellent.
Let's see the bathroom.
Good idea.
Everything is clean. Fresh towels, soap, shampoo, everything we need.
This hotel really deserves 5 stars.
Starting to connect to the Wi-Fi.
The password is Welcome2026.
Perfect. It works.
Great. Now I can send a message to my family.
I'll tell my parents that we arrived safely.
Good idea. A few minutes later.
Karim, I'm a little thirsty.
Me too. Let's call room service. Hello? Reception, how may I help you? Hello? Could you please bring 2 bottles of water to room 512?
Certainly. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Your order will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
That was easy.
Yes, the staff are very helpful. A few minutes later.
Someone knocks on the door.
Room service, come in please. Here are your 2 bottles of water.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful stay. Thank you very much.
I'm really enjoying this hotel.
Me too. Maybe we should visit the swimming pool later.
That's a great idea.
Or maybe the gym first.
You know me. Gym first, swimming pool later.
Let's relax for a while before dinner.
Agreed.
The next morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Very well. The bed was so comfortable.
Let's go downstairs for breakfast.
I'm hungry.
After breakfast. Breakfast was excellent.
I loved the fresh fruit, eggs, bread, and coffee.
The hotel restaurant is wonderful. 3 days later.
Karim, today is our last day.
Time goes by so fast.
Let's check out before leaving.
At the reception.
Good morning. How was your stay?
It was fantastic. We really enjoyed it.
Everything was perfect. Thank you for your excellent service.
We're very happy to hear that. Would you like to check out now? Yes, please. Room 512.
One moment. Everything is paid. You're all set.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
We hope to see you again soon. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again.
Today we learned how to check into a hotel, ask for hotel services, request room service, and check out with confidence.
Friendly phrases like, how may I help you? May I see your passport? What's the Wi-Fi password? Can make a big difference in your travel experience. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become when speaking English anywhere in the world.
Excellent job. Today you learned how to communicate in English at a hotel. You now know how to check in, ask about hotel services, request room service, and check out with confidence.
Remember, speaking English becomes easier when you practice real-life conversations. Try repeating today's dialogue and imagine you're staying at a hotel during your next trip.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. Have you ever stayed in a hotel? What hotel service is most important to you? Which country would you like to visit and stay in a hotel? Write your answers in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for learning with English with Karim. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in episode 11 with another useful English conversation. Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you in the next episode.